Suppose x and y are independent random variables with the following respective distribution. Find the joint distribution of x and y. Also verify that covariance of x comma y is equal to 0. Take down the year of the question, December 2017. Write the distribution xi f of xi 1 to 0.7.3 yj g of yj minus 2 5 8 0.3 0.5 0.2. This is the question. Now write the solution. Since x and y are independent the joint distribution j of x comma y is obtained by using the definition f of xi into g of yj is equal to jij. Now we have to obtain the table for jij. So write the table here. Yes. At the top write y, here write x. Now below x write the x value. X values are 1 and 2. In the y values minus 2, 5, 8. So in the last column, because as they have given the marginal distribution, write here f of xi, here g of yj. So I fill the terms here j11, j12, j13. Here when you add j11, j12, j13, we have to get 0.7. Next j21, j22, j23. When you add j21, 22, 23, we have to get 0.3. When you add 0.7 plus 0.3, we get 1. Same when you add j11 and j21, we should get 0.3, here 0.5 and again 0.2, because this is f of x1, f of x2, g of y1, g of y2 and g of y3. Now we have to find out the J11. J11 means x1, y1. Here, according to the definition, f of x1 into g of y1. F of x1 value is 0.7 into g of y1 is 0.3. Yes, 0.21. Next, J12. J12 means f of x1 into f of x1 value is 0.7 into g of y2 0.5. Here we get 0.35. Next, J13. J13 means f of x1 I value is 1 and j value is 3. So f of x1 into g of y3. 0.7 into g of y3 value is 0.2. So 0.14. Next, J21. I value is 2, j value is 1. So f of x2 into g of y1. 0.3 into 0.3. So we get 0.09. Same here also. J22. X is equal to I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. So f of x2 into g of y2. 0.3 into 0.5, that is equal to 0.15. Next, last one, J23. I value is 2, j value is 3. So f of x2 into g of y3. 0.3 into 0.2. We get 0.06. All this value we have to substitute in this table. Substitute the values here. Y, again here x, minus 2, 5, 8, last column f of xi. So here I write 1, J11 is 0.21, J12 is 0.35, J13 is 0.14. When you add all these three terms, we have to get 0.7. So cross verify whether we are getting 0.7 or not. Cross verify. Again x value is 2. J21 is 0.09. J22 0.15. J23 is 0.06. We get here 0.3. Next, g of yj. When you add all this, we should get 0.7 for the first row and second 0.3. Next, here 0.3, 0.5, 0.2. So when you add 0.7 plus 0.3, we have to get 1. When you add 0.3 plus 0.5 plus 0.2, there also we have to get 1. After writing this table, we completed the first part, that is joint distribution of x and y. Next, covariance of x comma y, that is equal to E of xy minus mu x into mu y. Mu x into mu y. Here also E of xy. E of xy formula is, first we find E of x. E of x is equal to sum of xi into f of xi. That is equal to here this distribution we have to see 1 into 0.7 is 0.7 plus 2 into 0.3 is 0.6. When you add, we get 1.3. Next, E of y, sum of yj into g of yj, minus 2 into 0.3 minus 0.6 plus 5 into 0.5 is 2.5 plus 1.6, 3.5. Next, E of xy, sum of xi yj into jij, 1 into minus 2, 1 into minus 2 into 0.21 plus 1 into 5 into 0.35 plus 1 into 8 into 0.14 plus 2 into minus 2 into 0.09 plus 2 into 5 into 0.15 plus 2 into 8 into 0.06, 4.55. After finding this, we have to substitute in the covariance formula, that is covariance of x comma y is equal to E of xy is 4.55 minus 1.3 into 3.5, finds we get 0. So in the question also they asked, we have to verify that covariance of x comma y is equal to 0. The following joint distribution of the random variable of the random variable x and y, x and y, find the corresponding marginal distribution also find the covariance and correlation of the random variables x and y. Write the table. X values are 2, 4, 6. Y values are 1, 3, 9. Values 1 by 8, 1 by 24, 1 by 12, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 0, 1 by 8, 1 by 24, 1 by 12. This is the table. From this table, we have to write the marginal distribution of x and also the y. So here write the solution. Distribution of x. Distribution of x. Here first value xi. Here x values are 2, 4, 6. Here f of xi. So what is the first value of f of x1?
1/8.
Check it once again, because x value means in this direction we have to add 1/8
1.
plus 1. Yes, answer is 1/4. Next, f of x2, 1/4 plus 1/4, that is 1/2. F of x3, 1/8, 1/24, 1/2. So 1/12 we get 1/4. Next, distribution of y. Find out the value of distribution of y. Distribution of y. Draw a table here. Here yj 1, 3, 9. Y values. G of yj 1/8 plus 1/4 plus 1/8.
1/2.
1/2. Next, 1/24 plus 1/4 plus 1/24.
1/3. 1/3.
1/3. Next, 1/12 plus 1/12, we get 1/6. So the first part we completed the finding out the marginal distribution. Next, they asked here, next one, covariance of x comma y is equal to e of xy minus mu x into mu y. So e of x value is summation of xi into f of xi. So 2 into 1/4 plus 4 into 1/2 plus 6 into 1/4. 4. Next, e of y, sum of yj into g of yj. 1 into 1/2 plus 3 into 1/3 plus 9 into 1/6. 3/2. So 6/2. 6/2 is 3. X1 into y1 into j11 plus x1 into y2 into j12 plus x1 into y3 into j13 plus x2 into y1 into j21 plus x1 into y2 into j22 plus x1 into y3 into j23 plus x3 into y1 into j31 plus x1 into y2 into j32 plus x1 into y3 into j33. Answer is 12. Substitute in the covariance formula. Substitute these values in the covariance of the formula. So here we get 12. Covariance, here I have written of x comma y. E of xy is 12 minus mu x is 4 into mu y is 3. So covariance of xy is 0. Next, correlation of x comma y. That is covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. So 0 divided by sigma x into sigma y. So here we get 0. This is the solution. Are independent random variables. X take values 2, 5, 7 with probability 1/2, 1/4, 1/4 respectively. Y take values 3, 4, 5 with the probability 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. First one, find the joint probability distribution of x and y. Second one, show that the covariance of x and y is equal to 0. Next, find the probability distribution of z is equal to x plus y. Now, they have given the values of marginal distribution of x and also y. We have to frame the table. First, frame the table for distribution of x. Here xi, here f of xi. X take values 2, 5, 7 with probability is f of xi 1/2, 1/4, 1/4. Next, distribution of y. Yj, here g of yj. Y take values 3, 4, 5 with probability 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. First, same thing by using the definition, we have Jij is equal to f of xi into g of yj, where I is equal to 2, 5, 7, j is equal to 3, 4, 5. Here, one minute. Here j values are 1, 2, 3 because j11, j12, j13 like that we are taking. So here first j11 means I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. This is your f of x1 and g of y1. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 6. Next, j12, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Again 1 by 6. j13, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. j21, x value, I value is equal to 2, j value is equal to 1. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 12. j22, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. f of 2 into g of y2, 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. Next, j23, 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. Next, j31, I is equal to 3, j is equal to 1. 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, 1 by 12. j32 is 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. j33, 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. Now we have to frame the table. Frame the table. Y here x, y values are 3, 4, 5. In the last column f of xi. X value 2, 5, 7. Here g of yj. j11 value is 1 by 6, j12 is 1 by 6, j13 is 1 by 6, j21 1 by 12, j22 is 1 by 10, j23 is 1 by 12. Next, j31 1 by 12, j32 is 1 by 12, j33 is 1 by 12. When you add all these three, we get 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Here 3 by 12 means 1 by 4. Here also 1 by 4. When you add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, here we get 1. Here also adding 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12, we get 1 by 3. Here also 1 by 3. Here also 1 by 3. When you add 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, we get 1. This is the now we have to show that the covariance of x and y is equal to 0. So covariance of x comma y is equal to e of xy minus mu x into mu y. So here mu x is equal to summation of xi into f of xi. So 2 into 1 by 2, 1, plus 5 into 1 by 4 is 5 by 4, plus 7 into 1 by 4 is 7 by 4. So we get 12 by 4, that is 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Next, mu y, 1 plus 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3, 9 by 3, that is 3, 3 plus 1, again we get 4. E of xy, E of xy means 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 1 by 6 is 1, 2 fourth 8, 8 into 1 by 6 is 4 by 3, plus 2 5s are 10, 10 into 1 by 6 is 5 by 3, plus 5 3s are 15, 15 by 12 is 5 by 4, plus 5 fours are 20. 20 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 3. 5 5s are 25. 25 divided by 12. 7 3s are 21. 21 by 12 is 7 by 4. 7 4s are 28. 28 by 12 is 7 by 3. 7 5s are 35. 35 divided by 12 is 16. Now substitute in the formula, that is covariance of x comma y is equal to 16 minus mu x is 4 into mu y is 4. So 16 minus 16 we get 0.